Now action. Okay. Hi, and welcome to my bathroom. That's my theme music. Today on Sonia Says, I'm going to show you how to do an aspirin mask for less than 3 cents. Yes, wait, there's more. No, there's not anymore. Okay, are you ready? So an aspirin mask is going to take off the first layer of skin completely. It's almost like a chemical peel. As a matter of fact, that's exactly what it is. So what they pay thousands of dollars for, I'm going to show you how to do for 3 cents. All right, let's go. Okay, so first you're going to need aspirin. Use a non-coated aspirin. It's going to dissolve directly in your hand. If you use a coated aspirin, it's not going to dissolve with just water. My favorite is Walgreens. It makes a fantastic paste. Some of them are kind of chalky. Some of them take a long time to dissolve. Walgreens, is that Walgreens? Yes. Walgreens is Amazon. I'll show you. Next, you're going to need some baking soda. It's one of my favorite things to shake and bake. Ring. You will also need a face wash. And you're going to need some Vaseline. Vaseline brand Vaseline. This is another one of my favorite things. You can find out more favorite things there. Only the Vaseline brand Vaseline has a quality of pureness at 99.99999%, something like that. This is the byproduct of petroleum. The stuff that oil is made out of, yeah, it's the stuff that's left on the rig. And they started using this as a liquid Band-Aid. It still serves as a liquid Band-Aid. It's fantastic. Pling. Okay, so let's get started. Turn the water on. Set your temperature. And I like to do this in the shower. I usually do it after a workout. Back the truck up. Before you do anything, make sure it's nighttime. This is going to actually cause your skin to be very sensitive to light. We'll see how this goes. So, don't ever do it during the day. Always at nighttime. And give yourself a full night for your skin to recover. If you have acne breakouts, if you have dark spots, this works for all of it. The active ingredient in our aspirin is salicylic acid, which is the primary ingredient in Proactive. Okay, so first things first, wash your face. Let's go. Circles. I like clean and clear. Okay, and we rinse. Bubbles. Get your neck. Get your décolletage all over your shoulders. Get that. Get as far back down your back as you can, because this is prone to break out as well. Men, this works really well for your chest. Get all that. Okay. You're going to take 8 to 9 aspirins, put them in the palm of your hand, and just drip some water in there. That's it. You see me dripping? So lots. And that is actually going to start to disintegrate. And I will show you. Can you see that? And it's already starting to break out, baby. That's good. That's going to take about, I'm going to say 30 seconds to fully break down. There we go. Forming a lovely paste. And that's going to break down all by itself. Just make sure you get these no-coat aspirin. It's really inexpensive. At Walgreens, this pack of 500 was like, I think it was $3. But I got it on sale. 2 for $5. 3 for 2. I don't know. Okay, so once we've got it to disintegrate, you've got a nice little paste. Rub it evenly in between your 2 hands. Are you recording? And you're going to pat it on your face. Pat. Pat. Avoid your eye area. Get that forehead. Get the neck. Shoulders. And get as far down as you can reach on your back. Men, chest, ladies, upper chest. But guys, if you shave your chest, this is going to be fantastic for hair bumps. A little more water on you. I'm going to look at myself in the mirror. and we rub it in. Light circles, both ways, not too hard, because this is quite abrasive. If you have sensitive skin, try it on your back and chest first. Shoulders. My skin is actually quite sensitive, but I'm just used to this. This is my favorite facial treatment. Pop out the cheeks. Around the nose, down the bridge, up the forehead, up the neck, shoulders, chest. You get that back. Circle, circle, circle. Rinse your hands. Okay, now for the shake and bake. You don't have to shake and bake, just get some baking soda. Same thing as the aspirin. Shake a bit into your palm, and I'm going to drip to make a paste. Drip, drop, drip, drippity, drop. You see my paste? You see my paste? Ah. What do? We pat. Rub it evenly between both hands. Pat. It's going to burn a little bit. Oh, Jesus. But only for a moment, because whilst aspirin is an acid, it is also a pain reliever. Get it on the back. Hey-o. As far back as you can reach. Neck, go up. Pat, pat, pat. Now, what the aspirin and the baking soda are currently doing is a chemical reaction in which the baking soda and the aspirin or the salicylic acid are reacting. Remember you made a volcano and you put the vinegar in the baking soda and it erupted? Well, it's erupting in your pores, thereby clearing out all of that oil, all of that gunk, all of that debris, and pushing it to the surface. Pores on fleek. It's also going to minimize your pores. So let that sit, pat, pat, pat it around. It'll stop burning after about 10 seconds, literally. Because the pain reliever of the aspirin and the G-Zinc is going to kick in. You can just move it around. Not too much rubbing. Pat it at this point to get it in the pores. Pack it in. Pat, 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 pat. Rinse hands. And let's rinse it off. It's going to be a little tender, so adjust the temperature to a little cooler. And I like to blow in it, and it makes bubbles. The bubbles are going to clear the entire face. And keep water out of your nose. Hey-o. With that neck. Let's go under. Clear it off completely. Thoroughly rinse. Arms. And back. And then you're going to go for one more cleanse. Because now that you've pushed all of the gunk to the surface of your pores, you want to clear it out. So a quick wash. And it will just clear away all of the oil, all of the debris, all of the uck you just took out of your pores. Everywhere you just clean. Oh, yeah. Rinse it off. So. Okay, get the hairline. Make sure you don't have latent baking soda on your face, or you'll walk around looking real powdery. It's not cute. Water off. You pat, pat, pat. Never rub. Pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Excellent. And while your face is still quite moist, you don't want it all the way dry. You're going to apply the Vaseline brand Vaseline liberally. No, generously. I've got about that much. So rub, rub, rub. And slather. Because again, this is your liquid Band-Aid. So it's going to cover that brand new fresh skin. And help it to heal because you've taken a layer off. Up the chest, all over the back. And anytime you wash or touch your face, follow this pattern. Up neck, up jaw, around the cheeks, nose, around the forehead. Get your eyes. Ladies, before you go to sleep, always put some Vaseline around these problem areas. I've got a video for facial yoga right here. And it'll show you how to keep your face nice and clean and fresh all the time. Alright, we have sufficiently chemically peeled our face for less than 3 cents, literally. The aspirin is $1 per 100. There's a penny there. The pumps of the Clean and Clear was less than a cent. And the Vaseline glob, minimal. So, you'll wake up the next morning feeling absolutely fantastic, literally like new baby butt skin. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. You want the holder for the camera?
No, I'm good.
Is my white balanced?
Yep, perfect. Look.
It's good. Bathroom. Today,
Start again. Okay.
Heyo. I'm a girl. I don't know why I stick my tongue out. That's much better.